George getting into his car.
Come on guys, we are getting late for church once again.
In a minute, Dad.
Dad, why do you honk so many times? We've always been preaching after the sermon.
But for once, I want to be before time.
Don't you remember the last time we got there on time?
Yeah, Henry, now that should stop you from being on time.
Father Rebello had fainted and I want to save him from the trouble.
Henry, stop fiddling with your hair and get into the car. Let's go.
He can't. His hands have to be in plastic to keep it away from his hair.
You are jealous because you don't have such good looks in hair.
Who wants dandruff?
Who wants a little sister?
Stop. Call Rita and we will leave.
Give me one more minute, Dad. I promise I'll be ready to get her.
Well, I'm ready for that. Someone spends hours before the mirror and makes a nest on his head.
Shut up, you worm. Mind your own business.
Go get some birds for your nest.
What's your mother up to?
I think she's trying to decide what to wear.
Terrific. At this rate, we will reach for the evening mass.
Okay, if this makes you feel any better, she had narrowed down to 3 of the 10 dresses she had got out of the cupboard when I was coming out.
Great. I don't even have 10 outfits.
Here she comes.
Finally. Go find your brother. Where had you been, Rita?
You know, when you start honking that horn, I can't make decisions.
We are going to be late.
I know that. We've always been late.
We won't be if you wake up early.
Are you saying that I'll make you late?
No, I just want us to be in time for Sunday mass.
Okay, Dad. I'm ready. Let's go.
Are you done with your hair?
No, but I have the whole right to church to style it.
Where's Tina?
That worm must be wriggling somewhere.
Dad, I can't find Henry.
He's in the car. Come over. Thank God. Thank God. Now we are all here finally, ready to go to church.
Yes, let's
Oh my God, it's on empty. I had checked it yesterday and it was half full. Where did you go last afternoon?
go. Just here, shopping.
To Jaipur?
Your car won't go on that long. I went up to Gurgaon.
Just here means within Dwarka?
It should still have enough to reach us to church.
Better be, because I don't want to stop to fill petrol as we are already late. Henry, is that side clear?
Yes, Dad, it is. After that bus goes.
Why did you do that?
Do what?
Stop fiddling with your hair. The train's coming out.
Kids, just start praying.
Why, Mom?
If your dad drives at this speed, only God can save us.
I'm speeding so that we can get seats inside the church. I don't want to stand near the gate, you know.
You mean you want to sit right in front of the altar?
No, I mean at least on the chairs in the open area.
George, don't drive so close to that car.
He's such a slow driver. He should walk, not drive.
I think you shouldn't overtake that car.
Stop thinking, let me drive.
Okay, as you wish. That's Father Joseph's new car. He's celebrating today.
And Father Joseph? Why doesn't he put the sticker like, Jesus is my savior, or some sticker that shows the car belongs to a religious person, you know? Anyway, if he's the main celebrant, then he too is late. Oh no!
What happened?
The petrol's over.
Oh no, start again.
Okay, we are just near Ambarai village. Let's push it further and park it inside village somewhere. Rita, come over to the driver's seat. Henry, Tina, get out. Let's push the car.
Such an embarrassment.
Push, push.
Not here, narrow roads. Further down at a wider place. We will park properly.
Now from here, it's just walking distance.
Look who's on time from us.
Good morning, Father Joseph.
I heard you honking from sector 6 onwards. Where did you disappear after?
You know, we parked the car outside the village as it gets crowded inside the village with the parishioner's car. We prefer walking down from there. Let's hurry. Better late than never.
Late? No, you guys are half an hour early. See, Father Rebello fainted seeing you guys so early.
Winter timings have begun.
Character George, enacted by Ronnie and voiceover given by Raymond. Character Rita, enacted by Ananya and voiceover given by Prerna. Character Henry, enacted by Sean and voiceover given by Jonathan. Character Tina, enacted by Michelle and voiceover given by Nicole. Character Father Joseph, enacted by Jonathan and voiceover given by Ishan.